Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have curry chicken foot with white rice. Yes, I said curry chicken foot. We are hungry. You guys know the drill. We're hungry. We're gonna dig in, and we do have a video on how I prepared this delicious meal, and I'm going to link it in the description below. So all you have to do is just click on the link, and it'll take you right to the video.
Yeah. That's right.
Ooh, how's it, honey?
Chicken foot. Delicious as always. You see the chicken foot? See the fingers? Ha! I'm gonna eat it. No?
You definitely want to watch the video on how I prepared this, because it will, I just step by step.
No? As we said, showing the life of what we eat in Jamaica, right?
Yep.
Okay.
What we eat here in America.
Daily in America too.
Yeah. We might have left Jamaica, but Jamaica never left us. You understand?
You understand?
Oh my, oh my.
No. You put your whole body in this one today.
Honey, it's just falling off of the
That's
bone.
what I'm saying. First, that you put your whole body in this one. You didn't put your foot. You put your body. You put your body plus the outfit of the day night. Damn it.
I had to, because yesterday's meal was so delicious.
You always make good meal. I know what you're talking about. I never have no problem. You hear me complain?
Never.
Alright, good. But keep it that way. I feel all the way for you, huh?
All day? You
You came in and tea, please.
sure did. Took off my jacket because
Yeah, it's hot in here.
I'm getting hot now. I'm going for digging, man, and the jacket I prevent me from digging in.
Dig in, man.
But that digging.
I mean, I gotta put my bone on the napkin. Enough bone is no.
Enough going.
Need that one for now.
Oh yeah.
Well done.
A lot of people, they're like, oh my gosh, chicken foot?
Exactly. But, no? Showing the culture.
But it's not for everyone, so.
Not. Oh shit.
Let's go.
Almost.
Guys, do you want to check out my outfit of the day?
Show them it's already in the food because you put your whole outfit in. I told you already.
I'm naked. Check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back.
I hope you like my outfit of the day. I love chicken foot. I love it. I love it in soup. I love curry chicken foot, brown stew chicken foot. You can use chicken foot for anything. And this is my
Natural coconut
water.
All natural. No. I love everything you make. I just don't eat the pork.
Honey, if you ate pork, my God. I make stewed pork, jerk pork for you, smothered pork chops.
One. Where's lady? Look at. You don't give me a chicken foot, you know? You don't give me a chicken foot. We can't tell, You're not giving enough chicken foot, man. Trust me. Cause I think we're up on the wrong side.
Maybe.
The wrong side for real?
Maybe.
No, I'm serious. It might be wrong. We see after. We see what happened.
No.
I think I'm on the wrong side today.
No.
Yo.
But like I said, chicken foot is not for everybody. Because even in our household, our son don't like chicken foot, but our daughter does. So
Check out the fingers. Watch out. Look out.
what do you taste like? What do you taste like?
Chicken foot.
I can't stand you.
Chicken foot. Just like chicken. It tastes like chicken. Right?
The texture is almost like
It's soft.
it's almost like pork skin, but it's not pork.
I don't know.
It has like a
You have to explain that one there.
with a like not I don't know how to. But it's not slimy. Oh, this is the ginger I put in there. So if you watch the video, you'll know that I put ginger in it.
And that's slimy.
It gives it a nice flavor.
That's slimy like cow foot.
It has that softy taste.
Right one. Put it back up. Draw back up. Bite on the camera on the teeth as well.
My teeth. But with chicken foot now, the one thing you want to make sure that you do is it has to be cooked
Right, yeah. You
all the way
explain
through. Because this cooked for about 2 hours. And you don't want it to be like
that.
hard.
Yeah.
You want when you bite onto it.
Almost like
See?
almost like cooking oxtail. Takes a while. You gotta remember the foot of the chicken.
Yeah.
Tough.
Right. Tom, you know something? Let me give you my side for real.
Tell us, give me your side and you want to switch. Just switch over. No worry, man. Me help you. I know you gave me the wrong side. I'm telling
I
you.
don't think so.
Yes, you did.
Okay, when I shit it out, no, you just eat faster than me. That's all,
No, actually, I'm not even moving fast.
honey. You are.
No, I'm not. Just slow. I'm just making the gravy soak into it, yo. Wow. The right amount of pepper too.
Right amount. I'm gonna see now. Let me get a better picture. You see?
Drop it. Nice.
Look at all the gravy.
Chicken foot that go with things, man.
I did my damn thing.
No. You're thing, man. God.
It's so easy. But stuff like chicken foot, oxtail, curry goat, is not for greedy people. Cause they want to harp and cook it. I was in the store today, and this girl said that she makes oxtail. She pressures it. I said, no.
That make it too, the bone get too soft.
I like it low and slow.
Yeah, pressure cook oxtail. But people can't wait.
Greedy people.
I'm greedy, but I could wait. Real talk. Damn, y'all. Right, you know.
Yeah, man.
You like it, man? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. You know what's funny? We never plan what we're gonna cook. We just like something and just do it.
We just, oh my God. Every time I come in this place.
Somebody wanted it, man.
Yeah, man. Them two.
Come out, you not get none.
Oh, you talk to.
We no pay rent in here, so our bills. Don't pay them. Yeah.
I can't.
Fam, we just had to run out the ghost because every time we eat something jump on our hand.
People definitely gonna come here.
Now get out, man. Make we eat.
In peace.
Come to
No,
what I'm talking
Sada.
to.
No, Sada.
You start talking to me? Yeah, move
You
it
are
low,
weird.
Move low, come on. First lady. Yes, I'm telling you, you did. You gave the wrong side.
I don't think so, but if you say
Tell
I
me.
did, because I know when I share your food.
Remember, your belly's my belly, no? Now, lie me up with chicken foot, man. I'm telling you, you did. Wrong side.
I'll check the video.
Tell you it's the wrong side. 'Cause you have a lot of food. It's all good.
You gonna eat mine anyway.
It's worth it. Ah, shit.
That's a question. You gonna say it's worth it every second?
Your side, give me your side is worth it. Because I know you robbed me. No, so I start watching the way you share the food.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Watch
man.
it. Go watch yourself.
Yeah, man, you move different from what you my food, Shit.
Would you try other cultures' food, honey? Like Indian food?
As long as it's not pork. As long as it's not pork, I try anything. That's what do me. I'll try it and I don't like it, I'm not gonna eat it again. But I'll try it. So you, anything. I'm not pork.
We try it.
You know that?
I love chicken foot.
I love chicken foot. Me love mukbang. What you think of? Good, yo. My God, this is good. Wow. Leave a comment down below if you eat fried chicken foot. No? I know my Jamaican people will. But let me know anybody else. No? Real good.
I hope you guys are enjoying the stuff that we eat on a daily basis.
True. Cooking out water, nice. Nice, man.
It's refreshing.
Refreshing.
You know that you can basically curry anything.
Yep. Anything. This will taste nice too.
Yeah. There it goes.
There it goes. I know what time it is. Want you hear that? First lady done. Eat enough, man.
You gotta suck. Like that.
Be a suck.
That's alright. I don't mind it. Because we gotta get the juice out.
Beer juice. This was excellent.
Thank you, honey.
I know.
We be throwing down.
Just right off the bread. We don't even think.
You just
We don't plan it. I mean,
yeah.
I say, yeah, we're gonna do that. We just do it.
Wherever our belly take us.
Yeah. Don't worry. One day, I'm gonna drink some real chicken on the grill. Yeah.
So what have you been drinking before? Fake chicken?
I'll do the real thing. On the grill outside there. There's some bad on the grill.
Remember when my mother made stew peas and she put chicken foot in there? No, I think I made stew peas and I put chicken foot. I put chicken foot in my stew peas. My dad was like, "No, take it out, take it out." We couldn't see it in his plate.
Wow.
Chicken foot is not for everybody, but trust me, you're missing out.
Wow. Always enjoy your meal.
Because when a chicken foot is cooked completely, everything is in the bone.
So,
It's soak. You know?
nice to want to lucky guys sometime.
Go ahead.
Let me have so.
And you dream about it.
Wow.
But you'd be surprised how much people eat chicken foot. Because other countries, they don't waste food.
A lot of people eat it. I see a couple videos with some other people. Young boy, he was eating it too. And he eat a lot. Remember the video I used to show you? Where that boy he cook up a lot of food and he just be eating, don't talk.
Yeah.
He did it too.
Yeah. What country is he from?
I don't have a clue, nobody can hear me, you know?
And he's a little bit.
Look a bit. Little boy could eat. He could cook too.
Yeah.
Wow. I enjoyed it. I know y'all did too. So you know, this is the part of the video we don't like. When the food done.
Probably
Our first day.
You don't like it.
But while I had to sit down there watching, so don't forget to switch it up to regular share, you know, like and subscribe. Tell a friend, man. Tell a friend too. Tell somebody, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it out there.
If you made it this far to the video, guys,
You know.
go ahead and subscribe and share the video and check out how we made this chicken foot. Okay?
Yeah.
But we are done. It was another delicious meal,
As always.
as always. Okay. If we don't say so ourselves. Okay, guys, I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Yo, first day you're going good money.
Hey guys, we're back.
We're back.
To show you our bones.
Forgot all about it. Look at that. Go plant that.
Bye, guys.
Bye.